Hey guys, thanks for tuning in for another one of my coloring page how to do it yourself kind of homemade videos. Today I have been working on making Raider Headhunter, one of my personal favorite skins in the entire game. I think it looks so freaking cute, fun and amazing, and of course it was requested as well in the comments, so thank you guys very much for the interest. Hello guys, and welcome to another one of my Fortnite coloring page videos. Before I talk too much more, I want to put it out there for Swag Emoji Squad for making a Love Ranger Jonesy. He posted a link to that video to my last coloring page, so thank you very much for sharing, for taking part, for being absolutely amazing. The more of us are making this, the more cool things people are gonna be able to just have a huge amount of free fun with. As always, I'm putting down links to the different PNG files in the description and uploading the coloring pages into my Discord as well. So anyway, as I've been rambling, and I have of course been copying in a screenshot from my Save the World account where I took out the Headhunter, zooming in, doing the same stuff as before, copying into an A4 sized new image, and there I am drawing with a 3-pixel pencil, and I've made it so that I'm drawing with yellow so that I can easier see what is going on. The Raider Headhunter was much more crazy details on this than what I actually expected. From the shoes to the pads on the leggings to even on her chest plate with a little badge, this has probably been the most fun hero so far for me to trace in Fortnite, because there are so many details, and really finding out which details should I include and which should I not include has been really fun to just sit down and chillax with. And I hope you guys think that the result that I've come up with was cool, fun and amazing. I think so anyway, so I hope it's gonna bring joy to everyone out there wanting to do a bit of a coloring or printing out, cutting it out for any kinds of do-it-yourself kind of cake decorations or whatever. There are so many things you can actually do when you have the traced image of a hero, especially if you have kids, and yours truly do have that, so that is of course a power behind this as well. But anyway guys, that was pretty much what I had to share in this video. Not gonna be talking too much more about it because yeah, I just wanted to share the process with those of you out there interested in making this stuff. If you have made similar videos, post them, please do, so that we can all share and have fun. Gonna be including the different coloring pages that I made based on this image tracing here lost in the video. They're just gonna be coming one by one, and of course links in the descriptions and in my Discord under uploads. As always guys, thank you very much for watching.